Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what is next generation firewall. We are in the world of next generation cyber criminal crime, cyber threats, cyber attacks. So these are not normal threats. Cyber criminals adopt advanced technologies, advanced method to perform the cyber attacks. Okay. So traditional firewall not sufficient for protecting our network, protecting our devices from cyber threats. So definitely we need a firewall which is providing the functionality for for just fight against the advanced or the next generation cyber attack. So the firewall for the next generation cyber threats is next generation firewall, and what exactly this is and what type functionality it is having, today I'm just going to discuss about it. Okay, so let's start. As you can see in this picture, when we are accessing an application, we need to know each and everything about the application, whether that application is having what type of protocol it's using, encrypted, decrypted, application protocol, decode, signature, okay, or other kind of information whatsoever it is having. So number of we can say applications we are using nowadays, whether that's Oracle, Google, or Salesforce, or Skype, MSN, Facebook, WebEx, lot many applications. And in application there are number of features which we want to allow, which we don't want to allow. Okay, so we need to identify each and everything granular level. We need to know each and everything so that when the visuality will there, when we would be able to see the picture in a clear way, then definitely we would be able to identify, yes, this part is not necessary for our business, for our performance, for our work, then definitely we need to block those kind of things, or these are important for our business, and then definitely we need to allow it. Okay, another thing is user. We also need to identify our user. What is the IP address of their machine? We need to continuously observation about the logging, whatever the role we have assigned to the particular user. Okay, whatever the where that's endpoint is placed, okay, and what are the identity they are using to provide the credential to just giving the access it, what are the geographical location of those users, what are the time when they are accessing the network. Okay, each and everything, what browser, what applications they are using to access the network. Clear? We need to identify each and everything, because they will lies in data, detail of data. Okay, another thing is content. So we also need to see exactly what is our data is just passing through our network, which type of traffic is entering in our network, which protocols they are using, which port number, what IP addresses they are using, what is the content inside it, whether that's malicious or having some kind of vulnerability inside it, what kind of code is just coming inside the data and entering in our network, what URL we are allowing to access, or we don't want to access. Clear? So each and everything we need to understand at the detailed level, detail of our user, our data, our application. Okay, and next generation firewall definitely will provide all these things. Okay, it just give the visibility of the user, applications, and data. And when we are know, yes, this is that each and everything we are having in our network, and definitely which want to, we want to control on it. We want to allow certain part of the traffic, certain part of content, applications we want to allow, or we want to deny certain certain type of things in our network. Okay, so we can just do each and everything on it. Yeah, and definitely the threat prevention. It's not only controlling or allowing and permitting the traffic, but whatever the new threats were emerging in the network, what type of new threats are entering in the network, what data they are using to enter it, the firewalls need to know all these things. And next generation firewall providing the functionality of all these things. Even they are having the functionality of the IPS IDS functionality as well. That's the next generation. Okay, follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what is next generation firewall and what are the different functionalities next generation firewall can perform, and how they can combat with the advanced malware.